Hey guys, welcome back. I've been playing lots of Airsoft lately, and here's some games I played at the Tactical Airsoft Arena in Layton, Utah. I'm playing with my brand new Specna E-11 Edge. I had an M90 spring put in it so that I could use it in CQB here in the arena. Make sure you stay until the end of the video where I announce the winner of the UV5R radio and tell you what I'm giving away this month. Enjoy the video.
Who the hell is that?
It's right across the street.
Yeah, I know it. Oh, hit! Good shot. Got me on the ricochet. Oh! Oh, Nike, look at you. Hit! I got him, go. Oh, hit! Good job, Nike.
Hey guys, sorry it took me so long to get back with you on the Baofeng UV5R radio. Whole lot of stuff going on in my life, and I finally got it out. But anyway, I did the drawing on April 1st like I was supposed to. Nathaniel Roosh run it, this guy. So Nathaniel, contact me via private message, and I'll make sure that you get your radio. For April, what I'm giving away is another gas blowback pistol, a CZ75. Shoots about 320 FPS. I got this at Tactical Airsoft Supply in Layton. So if you want to be entered in the drawing, be a subscriber, like this video, and leave me a comment. What is your secondary weapon? If you do not have a secondary weapon, then leave me a comment letting me know what your dream secondary weapon is. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me this long. And as always, I'll be looking for you in my scope. Shreq out.